You just bought your BMW and you're driving and it's got this rattling sound around the doors and you're just thinking, geez, this is bad quality, this is terrible. Well, I'm going to show you today how to fix that. So on the BMW F30 series, you'll have something we call, in South Africa anyway, called the shadow line trim, and that's this trim over here. Basically extra plastic trimming that gives it looking like a shadow line trim, so it's not the chrome. And what you'll find is that this trim here rubs against, just go over here, against the rubber over here. And as you're driving along, it just sounds like a rattling sound in your door, and it's really quite irritating. So what I did is I went online, I started looking around. It's quite hard to find this information. However, I found a solution, and it's using a type of tape. So the tape I'm talking about is a Teflon tape. This I got off Amazon, and that's the exact number if you're going to look for it on Amazon. So basically you take this tape and you just apply it along this edge here, all the way down there, and then it'll prevent the rubbing over here. And then for this part of the door here, see all this rubber here, all of this is what causes the squeak against this black plastic shadow line. So what I've done is I went and put this tape all the way along here, all the way along here, all the way down there. So everywhere with this rubber touches the door rubber is where you want to apply the tape. So that's it, guys. Really easy solution to a little problem. I don't know why BMW didn't fix that problem with their cars a while or put out a bulletin, but anyway, problem's solved now, and so I'm happy. No more door squeaks or rattles. I've had this car for a while now, and I've been discovering a few things, and I'm going to share them again on this channel. And so if you like these kind of videos and you wanted me to share some more stuff, let me know. And of course, you know, if you need your car tuned, you want to tune your own car, hit me up on this channel, let me know, and you can get the device for yourself and tune the car. Alright guys, until next time, cheers.